So Margaret Chití, cad iad na ploundí is lochfar, na Luibheanna is lochfar. What are like the healthy, the most valuable herbs?
Tá ma déanna gur a Báchrán ceanna sfér le go léir siomí rud tá se alta dhéanú tústaí dún agus tá mó cosla detoxiol ní sanara tan doid falla ísil a dhéanart agus ólanse de Báchrán a fé seaartain go dtí ní higlas barí atolta. Da me ha yen se doid falla ró lag agus tá chunne rodí go leor eile fásta ráisinaí ama bí eile fríide bhíon agus tá mó bariat dhéanaan de doid falla. Tá se altaí réitial da dhéansin agus tá chud mhór maithíosan.
Is there a way of explaining a little bit of that in English? So the Báchrán is the bog bean.
She, that's right.
It's used, as you were saying, it's used if you have too much iron in your blood.
Yes, it is used. You use it maybe twice a week. First thing in the morning and last thing at night so that it can go into your bloodstream, and you would use it maybe for a week. Yeah. And then you would see how you would get on. It's very good for rashes, acne and psoriasis and things like that. Maybe it would work for certain people, but it wouldn't work for others. That's the way it is. But it's the best we ever had. It was used down through the years. Young and old would drink it in the morning, and then last thing at night. And in March, they used to put a wee bit of limestone into it, so to help your bones. The lime was supposed to help your bones. Not too much of it, because you wouldn't be able to drink it. That only in March. Otherwise, you're better off drinking the Báchrán with nothing in it. I know it's not good to drink. It's very, very sour in ways.